Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I just thought I'd come on today to actually share my Raskog cart with you. It is an Ikea Raskog and I've got two of them and I've had them for quite a few years. They have gotten out of hand with just becoming a dumping ground, and I thought I would come on and share my thoughts about reorganizing everything. I do like sharing with you. I feel a sense of belonging when I connect with you. Even though we're virtual, you're still very special to me. I have emptied out everything so far, and what I want to do is make this one into my planner cart. Everything to do with planning. I also, if I have space, I would also like to put like all my journals, my junk journal and creative journals in here as well. I'd like to fit them in here as well. I think I may just have some space. So what I decided to do is put all the Happy Planner sticker books here. This basket is something that I've had for years. I've got two of these big ones and I have a smaller one here. So we'll get to that in a little bit. Now, I want to try and fit in subscription stickers, just odd and end stickers that I have here. As I said, all the mini Happy Planner stickers, not mini, but the Happy Planner stickers. Also, I've got stickers here as well that I keep in these pouches. I also have some stickers here that at some point I'm going to clean those out, tidy them all out. I do have this box of stickers as well that I've never used and I really want to use it. It's such a nice sticker book. All gold, really pretty. And I do have my dots, my planner dots as well. That's what I call them, planner dots, here as well. I have got my envelope with all my is it FLATICON? FLATICONs or something they're called. That's the functional stickers here. And these are all the ones that I select and cut out on my silhouette. Sorry about the sun. It's a beautiful day today, even though it's cold. I've actually turned my heating off. So these are, I think it's the FLATICON website, but I'll link everything in the description below. Oh, really sorry about that. I'll link everything in the description below for you. So these are just all the functional stickers that I have here. Really got to get some organization going. And remember, I have done donate something as well. I've been slinging stuff into the bags because I really just want to make sure that I'm still doing that, and I am. Now, I've got the, oh, I've forgotten what it's called now. I've forgotten, it's just slipped my mind. Oh my goodness. The stencil for my planning as well. And I've also got a load of these stencils as well. Let's just show you one for instance. Okay, I've got those. And I don't really use them, and I should start using them. Even in my creative journaling, I should start using them. They've got some really fun ones in there. So that stays here as well. Now these at the end here, I got these for Christmas. Oh, I'm going to do a video of what I got for Christmas as well. So I got these for Christmas. and I've just kept them here because I'm not quite sure what I want to do with them as yet. So that top part is all for stickers. I think it looks okay. I mean, I will have more functional stickers, but for now, this is what I have. Let's just go down to the middle shelf. Okay, so here's the middle shelf. These are my little ollie clips, kind of. Right, so the middle shelf, I've got this basket here. And this has got my sticky notes, all my sticky notes in here. All my sticky notes. I have to keep checking on the sunshine blaring through. And these are all my highlighters. And these are all my Filofax papers, inserts. These are all the Filofax inserts. And I've got these dividers as well for A5 planner that I don't really want to get rid of. I've used these, are years old, but I just don't want to. I hate throwing things away. They might come in handy. I have got my Bible, my war binder in an A5 ring binder, so I may use these for extra dividers in there. This belongs to, I had changed it from this is 25mm ring, and I changed it to a 30mm rings, and that is for my Motum A7 binder, the little ones, and the rings were a little bit too small. I changed them to a 30, but I might change them back because I'll show you at some other point in time, but I find that the 30 is a little bit too big. They're protruding, they're making the inserts protrude out a bit more than they should. And then I have these ones as well that I use for binders, the little binders. So those will stay there for the minute until I know what I want to do to them. Let me just bend down here a little bit. I really hope this records well. Right, so I've got these notes pads as well. This one's been used a few times. This one's brand new, and I normally have them on my fridge. They're magnetic. They normally go on the fridge. I've got 2 on the fridge so far. And I got these as well. These are all planner and planner related. So I've got that brand new, not used that, and I have another one here as well. I think I might have used 1 or 2 out of this one. So I've got those. I'll just put them in this basket, stay in one place. And then these again, all planner related. These are all dashboards and dividers that I've had in planners over the years. And I've still got a lot of mini Happy Planner supplies here, as you can see. Let's just show you some. They do need organising though, because I don't know what I have from one day to the next. I have some of these. And these plastic photo holders, kind of photo holders. And some more mini Happy Planner stuff. So I've got all this to sort out, and I will do that. These are inserts for my mini planner as well. These are bill trackers, and I've got some other stuff in this folder as well for the mini happy planner. So I'll keep those here because I don't know what I want to do with them as yet. So those will stay here. Let's do that. And then the bottom shelf is completely empty. I'm not quite sure what I want to do with that as yet. So what I'm going to do is round up everything planner related and do another video where I will pack away the things properly, put them where they're supposed to go. I'll just round up all the planner supplies and stuff that I have, and then I'll come back and then can finish the cart. But anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.